Okay, here's the question. Can Woje eliminate your fear of financing your own customers in just a couple of minutes or less? Let's watch.
So we're on with Scott. Scott, what exactly do you do?
I'm a sales and business coaching consultant. So I work with business owners to increase their sales and profits, double, triple, and 10x their sales and profits. So
Nice. What's the name of your business?
Natural-Persuasion and Scott Maly Consulting. So two different businesses there.
Nice, nice. Okay, so uh, before seeing Woji, before seeing the demo, did you have any apprehension or fear about financing your own customers?
I had a ton of it. Yeah, it's been a challenge and something I've shied away from.
Okay.
Definitely.
Now, we showed you the demo. It took about 5, 10 minutes. Now, after seeing the demo, are you afraid of financing your customers?
Not at all. Not at all. Super excited. Can't wait to get started with this platform. Thanks so much, Scott. This is a fantastic tool that you and your team have built. Thanks for
Thank
sharing it
you.
with me.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay, so there it is. Woje definitely eliminates the fear, the panic, the anxiety, the heartache, the heartbreak of financing your own customers. Some of you might even be thinking, I didn't even know I could finance my own customers without involving in a financial institution or massive credit card and merchant fees. You can, and it's all thanks to Woje. Go to mywoje.com right now, and at no cost to you, sign up. Get your dashboard, start kicking around, take a look, finance some people. And if you need help, every day at 11, it's live at 11 Mountain Time, and there'll be a link for it. You can join Scott Johnson while his physical supplies last. He's there live answering questions, consulting, giving you tips and tricks. So great. It all starts, all this financing your own people and saving all of those fees and no collections headaches at mywoje.com. Go there right now.